This is day one of the solo house flipping series, and today we're going to be demoing the kitchen. I knew as soon as I bought this house that this wall between the living room and the kitchen was going to have to come down. The two spaces were just too small individually, but I knew together that they would make one large entertaining space that would be attractive to a new buyer. I actually purchased this house probably about 6 weeks ago, but I was in the middle of a long-term project, so I wasn't able to start until now, and I cannot wait to get into the demo. This house is 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's roughly around 1,000 square feet of living space. I knew I had to do whatever I could to make this house seem bigger, so this wall coming down will definitely open up the space. During demo days, I definitely get my steps in. There's a lot of back and forth, carrying out the trash to the garage or the dumpster. Having a utility dolly as a solo house flipper is a must. It makes moving these appliances a breeze, and I couldn't do it without it. During demo days, my primary tools of choice are a hammer, a flat bar, an oscillating tool, and a sawzall. That's really all the tools that you need to get the job done. You can see that there's a baby gate there to the left blocking off the hallway, and you might see a black lab poking up his head. His name is Django. I am what I would like to call a non-consensual pet owner. My fiance adopted Django a week after we started seeing each other, and half the time he's the pain in the you-know-what, and the other half he's my best friend. Doggy daycare in our area costs $35 a day. So, to save some money, he's going to come to work with me, and he's going to be my right-hand man. This house is on an alley, and there's nowhere to put a dumpster. So, I'm going to stockpile all the stuff in the garage, and I will take it to the dump at a later date. It's finally time to open up the wall between the kitchen and the living room. I strike the level line at the top of the cabinets, and I got cutting. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's all opened up. The oscillating tool blades are always pretty expensive. They can be up to $20 for each of them. So instead, I buy a 50-pack off of Amazon for about $20, and I'll go through about 3 or 4 of them a day. Now it's time to open up the wall on the living room side. I strike that line at the same height that I did on the kitchen side, and I continue to cut with my oscillating tool. After tearing off the drywall, you can already tell how much more open this room is going to feel. Before starting the demo, I did peek my head up in the attic to see what the wall was supporting, and you can see just how many cobwebs there are. I opened up all the drywall between the sheer wall of the kitchen and the bathroom because it was moldy, and I also knew that I would have to rework the plumbing and electrical for both the kitchen and the bathroom, so it allowed easy access. Now that most of the demo and cleanup is complete, you can start to picture just how open this is going to feel and how much bigger it's going to look once this wall is completely removed and the header is put in. And that's a wrap for day one of the solo house flipping series. And I'll tell you what, I couldn't have done it without my right-hand man, Django. Let me know in the comments below how much I should pay this guy.